Hello, dear visitors. Sculpture is one of the oldest forms of art. The permanent exhibit hall of the Department of Fine and Applied Art of the National Museum displays many beautiful sculptures created by talented Tajik artists. One of the well-known sculptors is Yelena Alexeyevna Tatarinova. She dedicated her work to the famous and hard-working people of Tajikistan, especially Tajik women. In her sculptures, she not only shows a person's appearance, but also expresses their emotion. One of her famous works is a sculpture, A Tajik Woman, which was created in 1947 from marble. The sculpture shows a young Tajik woman with braided hair around her skull cap, which was popular at that time. The sculptor skillfully depicts her face, neck, and style of her clothing, reflecting the fashion of that time. Dear visitors, if you would like to learn more about the sculptures and other works of art, we warmly welcome you to the National Museum.